To start out the makeup and prepare my skin, Rudy is going to prime my face by using the strobe cream. The next, he is applying lip conditioner to hydrate my lips while my makeup getting done. On the center of my face, he is applying Prep and Skin Natural Radiance Primer to make sure that my makeup is going to last. Next step, he is applying lightweight MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation that has satin finish and sheer coverage. I actually got this for myself after we got done filming. That's how much I fell in love with this product. It's also perfect for everyday use. Now it's time for the concealer, and Rudy using the Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer that has buildable coverage and natural matte finish. Next, he is doing light contouring by using Soft Matte Foundation Stick, another one of my favorites. And I got it for myself as well because I think it gives more natural looking skin than powder contouring and would be perfect for everyday makeup. Now Rudy applying just a little bit of powder, mostly on my T-zone. I noticed that when makeup artists doing my makeup, they have all these extra steps that I always skip when I'm doing my own makeup. But I'm telling you, all those steps make such a difference on the final result, you'll see. Love this palette that he's working with right now.
You go and camp without remorse, without heart in your head, you're right.
How beautiful is this blush? I really like this color. Now Rudy applying my all-time favorite highlighter. I zoomed in so you guys can see my eye makeup closer. Rudy now priming my eyes by using Pro Long Wear Cream Shadow. It's gonna help eyeshadow blend better, last longer, and the colors are just gonna be much brighter. I'm gonna link all the products below in the description.
know I'm fine without you.
We're going for rose gold eyeshadow with a little bit of shimmer to make my green eyes pop, and I think it's such a pretty glam look that is perfect for Valentine's Day.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart in your head. You're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. They use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Now Rudy is doing my eyebrows. He's brushing them up and using eyebrow styler. He is applying some natural looking falsies. Then he's using mascara over the false lashes. For my lips, Rudy using lip pencil in a shade Sour, kind of a pinky nude. Now he's applying Viva Glam lipstick, such a beautiful nude color. I love glossy lips, so Rudy applying incredible lip gloss. It's so pretty. I'm wearing this beautiful leather pink dress by NBD from Revolve that has very sexy décolleté, and it's important to match your neck and décolleté to your face, so Rudy adding some highlighter on my chest and collarbone. Now, when my makeup is all done, he's adding some setting spray. I really like how this makeup look turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please show me some love, and I will see you next time.
I don't know, I'm fine without you.